Hello and welcome to Adam's vlog, guest starring Harry for today. Hagrid, yes. So Adoh, you know your school's fucked up when the fire alarm goes off and the headmaster says, "What's that noise?"
Just kidding, Harry's not really going to be in it today. Or is he? Oh, hello there, Harry. What the fuck? So, we've been doing band practice at school. It's been going pretty good. I finally got to play the drums. I'm pretty good if I do say so for myself. And I do say so myself. Today, while playing Shepherd's drums, he got really mad at me because I was hitting them too hard. Hitting drums too hard? And so yeah, he went pretty mental, and I didn't have my camcorder on at the time, but this is an artist's depiction of it. Nasty business. So, my new Night Customs finally came in the post. Yeah, in the post. Yes. Green laces, blue bits, purple innards, blue bits, orange night, green swoosh, green soul. Lol. That's meant to be in white though. So, I was on bbcnews.com, looking through the latest news. Skydiving into an active volcano. Russian extreme sports enthusiast Valery Rozov, isn't Valery a girl's name, has parachuted into an active volcano on Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula. Now you see, when I think of active volcano, I think of, you know, and lava and shit, but it's just a big hole in the ground. They make it into this big deal, like, oh my god, he parachuted into a volcano. But it's just a big hole. Oh wow, look at me, I parachuted into a big hole. Get me, I'm a real extreme sports enthusiast. Wow, big whoop. Prick. So, since I'm doing the daily vlog, VEDA, vlog every day in April, I decided to do, what underpants am I wearing today? Well, today, to start things off, I'm wearing a very special pair. Superman! Oh, frontal wedgie. Well, that pretty much wraps up today's vlog from me and Harry, don't you think? Yes. So, from both of us, bye!